Checking out this really nice fixed blade knife from Civivi. Comes in a nice box. Looks like we've got a sticker. It looks like one of their knives. Civivi logo sticker. Looks like we've got some information about the knife. And we've got a microfiber cleaning cloth with the Civivi logo on it. Also a catalog. That's pretty cool. The knife comes with a Kydex sheath. Form fitted. Really nice. It has a clip on the back that's got the Civivi brand on it. Let's take a look at the knife itself. This one is their fixed blade Elementum. Wow, this one is the Damascus blade. And this one has the black ivory wood handles. How cool is that? It has a lanyard already installed. And look at the design on that Damascus. Wow. This is a nice knife. Great size. Got a fairly large hand here, and it's easy to hold on to. No real sharp edges. It's a full tang, and the tang is just, or the knife is just a bit bigger than the liners, which gives it a great feel. There's some jimping up here. There's this little area here. Wow. And that amazing Damascus pattern. I don't know what to call that. That is amazing. Has the Civivi logo here. Take a look at some of the details. Just a really nice, useful knife. Amazing look to it. This would make a great gift. I hope this helps.